What is good with y'all boys, man? It is currently the next day, you feel what I'm saying? We got the vibes. You feel what I'm saying? Today is gonna be a very busy day. We got a car meet. I got a special surprise. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm doing to my car. It's gonna change the whole look of my car, you feel what I'm saying? Something I've been waiting to do for a long time. We're gonna go get that done. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is just yet, but y'all already know, man. I'm posted up with my boy. You feel me? Bam. Freaking duo right here, man. You feel what I'm saying? As y'all can see, man, y'all probably couldn't really tell like last night, but here's the splash guards that my boy put on. There it is at an angle. As y'all can see, bam. Looking good, you feel me? It kind of gives it like a more of a beefier stance, like you look at it from the angle, how it sticks out. You feel what I'm saying? I got my boy right there. You feel me?
Well, it started raining.
Well, it started to rain, boy. No. God don't want me to be right. You guys are not ready for this reveal of the new wheels, man. 3, 2, 1. Bam. We got the gloss black joints. Oh my freaking God. Oh my goodness. We got the gloss black joints. So if y'all don't know, these wheels came off of this car. But see, my boy went and got some Z01 wheels. And so he gave me these. Well, I can say gave it to me. He let me get them. You know what I'm saying? And as y'all can see, the lady before him had this car and she kind of curved them. So what my boy got, he got some touch-up color corrector. And he's going to touch up these little spots where it's curved. But oh my God. Going from like a matte black to a gloss black, it looks crazy. Like, look at that. Like that's me, bro, and it's crazy because like it's exactly like what I was looking for, like 5-spoke gloss black. You feel what I'm saying? And I got these for a steal. Shout out to my boy Cam, man. My boy hooked me up. I ain't gonna lie, that yo, bro. That is my guy, bro. That is my guy. We locked in, man. But hey, he's gonna touch him up, and y'all just look at, bro. Just look like, oh my. Man, I appreciate doing business with you, good sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, you know what I'm saying? I told you, my boy, he gonna look out for me, man. Y'all look at the whip, man. Like, look at the whip. Look at the whip ski. Oh, look how that red hitting with the caliper covers. I ain't gonna lie. Nice, bro. Wait till I get it washed. Like, oh my God, bro. I got big plans for this car, man. It's gonna be a whole different car once I'm done with it. Y'all gonna be like, dang, like, man. Extremely excited for the new wheels, man. And I think that these wheels are lighter than the ones I had on my car before, so that's gonna help out, you feel what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, I'm just looking at it, bro, it gives it a whole nother, like, man. It's crazy, dog. But like I said, man, I'm gonna get the car it's coming out good, bro. It's coming out really, really good. We just do it piece by piece, you feel what I'm saying? Piece by piece, just one thing at a time, and just make it different to something that will, like, you know what I'm saying, people know it's you, is gonna stand out, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, we got one thing done for the day. So next we have a car meet out of town, you feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna link up with my boys Outcast, my boy Josh Neff. Y'all know Josh, they was the ones that sent me the merch, you feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go kick it with them, get some content. So yeah, dog, my boy's gonna get me right on the touch-up paint. Super excited for the wheels, super excited for the meet later on today. So I'm gonna pick back up whenever we get back to the next scene. All right, y'all, so boom, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I was talking about. This one right here is the worst.
Yeah,
out
literally,
of all of them.
the worst one.
Like, I don't know what girl was doing, but she literally grinded like
almost down to the red.
Like, it's insane. And y'all see, like, it's none of the red, it's just the black. Like, all this is like, it is bad, bro. But
she nicked the red a tad right there.
Yeah.
But that's about the only little spot.
Yeah, but we're not gonna trip about that, man. It's just like, you feel me? But she,
so give y'all a little rundown on how it gonna look, man.
My boy got the paint correction, color corrector.
Hitting dead on the money.
Freaking transformed. I'm telling y'all, y'all need to get at my boy Cam. He knows some stuff, dog. He knows some stuff. He knows what he's talking about. He knows what he's doing, man. This is my guy, dog. I'm telling y'all.
I'm gonna put it in the dough.
As y'all can see, man, he already did this side. This side was not bad at all, but as y'all can see, like, bam, just bam. And the one I showed y'all was the worst, like, as y'all can see, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Y'all can kind of see how it was nicked, and he kind of like, you know what I'm saying? And it just turned out good. And this one right here, it's like a little minor spot. Like, I don't know. She just, man, I don't know. She just couldn't drive or she couldn't see. I don't know what she did. If you're watching this right now and you had this car like before, you got it. Like, girl, you got it. I ain't gonna lie. You are special. Like, you are the one. I ain't gonna lie. Cause man, I don't know what you did, but you did something. But we gonna get it right. You know what I'm saying? Everything happens for a reason. You feel what I'm saying? My boy Cam gonna get me right, man. Y'all need to get on Cam, man. Tell Cam, tell him down in the comment section below. Start posting videos. Listen, y'all, we need to start a freaking cult. Like, we need to gang up. And I'll just tell Cam just to start posting videos. Bro, his knowledge is crazy. He knows too much, bro. Like, when it comes to cars, like anything, bro. Not even cars, just like anything. He knows a lot, bro. He just need to like just spread his wisdom to the world. Cause this dude is bright, man. I ain't gonna lie, he's bright. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's talking about. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it just
Gonna make it had it right.
As y'all can see, man, boom, looking like money. What you call that? Slight work. My boy got me right, and this was the worst one, and y'all see how it came out, bro. Like, y'all saw the before, and y'all see the after. It's crazy, man. Get at my boy Cam, dog. Get at my boy. At the point store trap, you know, just chopping it up, man, by cars. You know how we be. You just be chilling, ducked off, man. You feel what I'm saying? But hey, we got that done. That's off the checklist. Next, we do have a car meet later on, but we're gonna pull up on my boy Zay. He wanna see the wheels. He's gonna be like the first person to actually see it in person instead of Cam and the people who actually did the wheels. So we're gonna get his initial reaction and we're gonna see how this is gonna turn out. So I will pick back up whenever we get there. Oh, look at the setup, man. You got me in the cut and you got 10 speed. 10 speed, 10 speed, like, I might as well give me a 10 speed. What is this? That is crazy. As y'all can see, man, we made it to the meet. Better late than never, you know what I'm saying?
Get off that exit, but like you're going to the mall, but turn
We
right.
lost one on the way, man. We supposed to be right here, but we lost one on the way. He's about to pop out, you know what I'm saying? God dang, the light's bright. He's about to pop out, but yeah, man, we got, like, it was a good turnout. You feel what I'm saying? The boys over there. I'm trying to get my boy with the, they got lost with the location. I don't know how he got lost. I guess I was going too fast for him. But yeah, but we're gonna check out some of these cars out here, dog.
And then come to the academy.
But hey, y'all, here we are. We got some of the cars, man. Nice. Good. I know y'all recognize this car. This is my boy Josh's car, you feel? We had to pull up on my boy. We got the Volkswagen. I know this guy. No, I don't. I thought I did. We got the Miatas. I pulled up kind of late, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. But there's still cars out here. They said it was packed earlier. Y'all know how that Alabama weather is, bro. It was pouring down, raining. It's crazy, dog. But we made it. We got the BMW in the cut. We got the Camaros. Them boys, they said they trying to race, so we gonna see what that's about. Bro, they was trying to jump down on me. It's like, you trying to race, you trying to race? I'm like, bro, I'm a V6 and y'all are V8s. I said, we got the 10 speeds. That's why I brought my boys, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna see how that turns out. Hey, we got us in the cut. You feel what I'm saying? I'm about hard for real in the cut.
You didn't burn out on that one.
Then we got me. Another 10 speed.
Bro, this the place.
We got the Mustangs over there. Yeah, dog. Y'all both want to be the video, man?
Boy, talk y'all shit, man.
What y'all got to say to the camera, man?
I'm finna hit my wheelie. I'm finna hit my
Wanna hit that
wheelie.
wheelie? Yeah. Let's see what you got, dog. Okay, let's see what you got. Okay. Oh, snap. What you got, fam? What you got? You can talk that? You can talk that? Okay. What y'all boys got, man? On top of that?
See me.
Oh, man. What you got, man? You gonna top that? You gonna top that, fam?
Yo, all these cars here afraid though.
Oh, yeah.
I'm the smooth.
He's smooth with it now. I ain't gonna lie, he's smooth with it. Oh, yeah.
Show me. I'm going.
Let's see what you got.
I just don't got no back brakes.
Oh, he's still going. Oh, he going crazy.
I don't got no back brakes.
Bro, who y'all think had the best wheelie, bro? Let me know in the comment section below. My boy right here.
What's your YouTube name?
Huh?
What's your YouTube name?
I'll give it to you, dog. It's on the side of my car.
What is it?
Who is certified? Right here.
What?
TikTok,
Oh, I seen
YouTube,
it.
all that.
I had seen that on
All
YouTube.
on the same. Hey, man.
And I click my prayer button for you.
Why y'all boys trying to jump out on me? I'm a V6, man.
Hey, man.
We had somebody in the parking lot said we got three bad ass Camaro coming across the way, come up here on
and they want smoke.
Oh,
when they
we
get
lost
here.
one.
So we was told. I wanted that yellow one to be with y'all.
Yellow? Oh, you don't want him?
Shit me. We
I
bust
do.
his ass already.
Y'all get him here tonight. If y'all can get him here tonight.
So y'all ran my
Listen,
boy?
if y'all can get him here tonight,
Boosted
tell him
Nova.
he locked in.
Boosted Nova, whatever the fuck.
The one with the tailpipe exiting out the side
Yeah,
from him.
with the half.
Tell him to
with
get
the-
here.
with the-
Tell him get here.
Tell him to get here. He can run for whatever tonight. In plat. From a dig. I ain't give him shit but the other lane.
Ooh, my boy, I know you watching this, dog. I know you hear this. Hold on now. What you say it one more time? One more time.
Get here. You can get whatever you want. Other lane. Run for whatever you want.
And
Put
what
the
you,
car
what
on
you
now.
driving? What you
Right
driving?
there. Blackfield Jam. You ready? Tell him to get here. He'll remember me from Plateau. A-sign on Water Street.
Hey, that boy talking his shit. I like that boy. Got the
Yeah.
receipts too. I see him.
Yeah.
Oh God. Hey, you know he's serious when he dropped the ad. That's crazy, dog. Boy, right there. I know who
on my
that is.
birthday. I don't care if I'm still pop out. Nah, you pop out.
Sounds good. I ain't gonna lie.
That's all
5-0 sounds good.
Cause I had started getting on that way with that field gym. I had tuned that bitch and ordered some header, but then put the headers on. Come on, I got that bitch. That was a
Oh,
hard
nigga,
talk.
you broke my phone.
That was a hard talk.
You don't give a fuck with that.
We got the man, the myth, the legend again, my boy Josh.
What's up?
What's good, my boy?
What's up, man?
What you gotta say to the camera, dog?
Live your life. However you want it.
I got that shit.
Yes, sir, man. I told my boy I was gonna pull up, and we made it. We a little late, well, very late, but we here, man. We made it, dog. We got the.
This idiot picked my phone in both face. Like, why would he do something?
Why would you
And
do
my
that,
phone
man?
gone. His dad paying for it. If his dad don't pay for it, his house gonna be in them flames.
I got you, dog. Hey, I got a question for both of y'all boys, man. All right, so what's y'all dream car, dog? What's your dream car, dog?
Not gonna lie. It used to be.
a Hellcat.
Oh God, it used to be a
Hellcat? Why you
Hellcat.
say Hellcat?
Cause I just like them. They,
You just like them?
Used to be a Hellcat and it
Cause
did.
I rode in the Hellcat. It was smooth.
You rode in one? Was it strong? Man, I ain't never rode in one, dog.
Hellcat.
Yeah, but the seat flew back.
But when I rode in the Hellcat, my head did that. No, never.
Wait, what it
again.
did, fam?
It did nah. Nah. But nah, it's one of these. It gotta be.
Oh, Camaro?
It's that
Yeah.
one right there.
Okay,
It
then.
gotta be that one.
It's clean, you know, because it's black. You feel me? Peeled up with the black Camaros. Black my favorite color, so I.
It's either,
Black, my red, my favorite color.
it's either that or a Challenger. A wide body.
Wide bodies are clean. I ain't gonna lie. Heck yeah, dog.
My favorite bike is like a dirt bike.
He bought the
Four-wheeler.
he bought something that's faster than both of these.
What's that?
You don't see that?
Oh, no.
Do a burnout. I mean, do a donut.
More like it'll run, boy.
Well, everybody give a fuck.
I'm gonna tell you something about them cars, though, man. The way the transmission be signed, it's all them motherfuckers like
On God, open. Like it's
Smoke one of these cars. It'll probably smoke one of these.
It will smoke. It'll smoke one of them.
So you wanna race?
Yeah.
You wanna race too?
I think I'm like this. Alright, on to that white thing.
It can smoke a truck.
Let me get a head start. Go.
Hey, you getting all that space is still everything.
Man, somebody get that hoe some brakes, man.
Hey, Riz, you think they be the skate car that water if it going fast? Hell no.
Oh shit!
Oh, I lost sight of that one, bro. I couldn't keep up with the camera.
Somebody came and said somebody came and got a red phone.
Oh, moving, boy.
Why he said, dude, I don't know, God, how gonna be in them flames? If your dad don't give me a new phone, your house gonna be in the flames. I put that on my dad. Okay.
Fucking goddamn. Hold on, let me turn the camera on. Look right there. You see that white one next to mine?
I can drive.
Yeah, that's our roll call right there.
Come on, man. You ain't, especially if you running with my boy.
Tell him run that green truck.
The boy trying to set it up, boy.
We got a roll call. We got a dig call.
We might get some runs tonight. They trying to set it
Get
up.
to the city, we can try whatever. It's a boat on
My YouTube.
It's a boat on car, man. Huh?
I don't know. I gotta take it home and I gotta
That's
edit.
him right there.
I
That's the
seen
little
you
young nigga that got
somewhere on
that
YouTube.
Huh?
I seen you somewhere on YouTube.
For real? You got your phone? I'll give you my YouTube. Right?
But my phone not on. Hold on, you just type it in my notes.
Yeah, 15.
Nigga had got a goddamn candy apple Band-Aid paint on that bitch. Right there over the dick.
Turbo Lil Wastegate. I know him all that.
I'll try that on the big one.
Bro, you know the movie.
That's that shit
Fast
you leave
and Furious?
alone.
It's the green car. That's what that is.
That's the same one?
Yeah, the green
with
one.
the purple shit down the side?
No, not the purple one. The green one.
No, the green one with the purple shit down the side of that hoe.
Paul Walker.
Yeah.
That's
the Evo
That's the Evo.
That's that motherfucker. Oh, you gotta go jump a train track in that hoe. It's only right.
Like a
We
movie
need to
scene.
rerun the scene, goddamn. We gotta rerun the scene.
You gotta do it for Paul Walker, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's sick. That was crazy.
It's a nice ass whip.
I got the Hondas in the cook.
All these bitches like number like 2 JZ mode.
This nigga said this a turbo. He said
Got my boy Braden in the cut. Yes, sir. We had to pull up on my boy.
this. He said
We got people over there.
That's the waste gate. That's why I hit the waste the pressure and shit blow out there. And this your intercooler up front.
Oh yeah, so it
Iron
can
shit trying-
Hey, that LT1 clean, boy.
You and I came back at night.
Who orange Camaro?
You gotta respect the Camaro.
You think you get Camaro right there? You think you get it? Here.
More
Right.
clean.
Race?
And she was like,
We got the same size skirts.
pull up and you want ice cream, but it takes too long.
I told the white. You catch me on my roll line.
It's our roll.
And lift it back
It's
up,
our roll
bring it
car.
to the crane,
I heard somebody
reach
roll
out
race.
with the broom,
Excuse
hook
me.
it
White
up,
one is
the
the roll
crane.
car, the black
I
one is the
got
dead
all
car.
Sit up
Right
there
now,
with no
this white
shoes on,
motherfucker.
and they see I'll
Yeah,
break the crane
I've
all
heard
day.
that's nitrous.
What's on?
I'm stopped.
I'm nitrous.
That's the nitrous car over there. The black one?
I'm a
Yeah.
nitrous car, but I run on motor too. I'll flash a tune in front of your face.
I'm completely stock other than the intake. I'm completely stock other than the intake and the 10 speed. 10 speed.
I'll get stock.
Appreciate it.
It is nice. I had to let my shit back up.
It can get red.
Beautiful. Miracle muscle.
Completely stock other than
I stopped too, man. They got mine like 2 months.
Yeah. I've had mine for about a year. I'm just trying to get it cosmetically how I want it. Trying to save the money.
Yeah, that carbon hit. That
I like the color on
A little wider than the
What's
car right now. Well, actually, it's probably about this on the other side.
I ain't gonna do it Cam, unless I'm putting boost to it.
What would you think?
I gotta hear this. I gotta hear this.
How much you getting for?
The rock guard? Yeah. Like 90 bucks?
Okay.
Yep, like 95 bucks. I want to say.
Okay.
Then you won't believe how much I got for those OEMZL1 wheels. The guy had
Just the wheels or with the tires?
just the wheels, but I got a crazy deal on the tires too. I can plug you in on all that, man.
Did you get a video of that Evo over there, 2.7?
I did. It sounded crazy, dog. Y'all listen, man. This is my boy Braden, man.
What's up, y'all?
He drives the Focus right here. You know what I'm saying? Finally get to meet my boy in person, man. I had to pull up. Like I said, I'm late, but I just had to pop out, though. I told them boys I was gonna pop out, and they just showing mad love. Shout out to Outkast, dog. They was the ones who sent me all the merch. You feel what I'm saying? I had to bring my boys. You feel what I'm saying? But it was a pretty good. Oh snap! What my boys over there doing? That's a nice item too. Clean, I don't know what BMW this is, like what series this is. What my boys over there? Yo, I got a question. What series BMW is that?
That was an N54, I think. It was a 3 Series, probably a 328 or a 335.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's the one with the N54?
N54 twin turbo.
Yes, sir. What? Y'all see us? No, son.
Yeah, we probably gonna head out. We did make the meet. It was a little late, but you know what I'm saying? Better late than never. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna get back on this road. You feel me? Shout out to everyone that came out to the meet. Shout out to everyone I met. Some nice cars, I ain't gonna cap. But man, dog, y'all already know the vibes, man. Men in black. Literally the men in black. It's our car, dog. Hold on. Alright, what is good with y'all, man? It's literally the next day, and I forgot to do an outro of the video. So shout out to everyone that I met down there at the meet. Shout out to Outcast for having me. Yesterday was kind of crazy, but we did get the main objective, which was the wheels. You feel what I'm saying? And here's another look. You see, I'm at the house. We chilling. You feel me? But hey, man, if y'all like videos like this, just me vlogging / doing stuff to my car / car meets, let me know, and I'll be sure to bring y'all more. If y'all new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down in the comment section below. It has been your boy Certified, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. I love y'all. We out this thing.